Today we're talking about balcony plants that are suitable for an east-facing location or on a veranda where it's quite shaded. So we've got a collection of these great Ripsalis here. Now there's hundreds of varieties of Ripsalis and they all have different forms and textures and shapes and hang in different ways, and some are quite upright. You can also see that they all have this little tiny white flower. So they're also known as the mistletoe cactus or mistletoe flower. They all will get this tiny little flower in some shape or form, but they're grown much more for this amazing foliage. And look at this one, it's got curls in it. And this would get quite long, like all the way down to the ground. So they make a great collector plant. We've also got Hoyas as well. Now Hoyas are amazing on balconies and verandas. They can be grown in pots so they can hang, or you could grow them up a trellis or on a cone planter. This one here is Hoya obovata. It has these really pretty white and pink flecks on the leaves. It has these big dark oval leaves and sends out these dramatic long shoots from the base of the plant and gets a beautiful white and pink flower. A great one to add to your collection. And a classic is the string of pearls. Now we love this plant. It's so pretty and delicate. It also gets these beautiful little white flowers. And if you get quite close to them, they're really lovely and fragrant. It's a really delicate little smell that it has in the plant. So all of these guys like good indirect light, maybe a little tolerate a little bit of morning sunlight, but not too much. And just water them when they feel dry. The biggest killer of these guys is overwatering them.